Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by selecting your chicken and deciding the flavor profile you want. Use 1 whole chicken or 3 to 4 pounds of mixed bones and skin for richer flavor. If you prefer a lighter stock, use raw bones only. Rinse briefly and remove giblets. Do not salt yet to control final seasoning. Optionally roast bones and vegetables for depth. Roast bones at 425 degrees F for 20 minutes for deeper color, or skip roasting for a lighter broth. Chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion into large. Place the chicken or bones and the chopped vegetables in a large stock pot and cover ingredients with 12 cups cold water. Bring slowly to a simmer over medium-low heat. Rapid boiling clouds the broth. Once small bubbles rise, skim foam for the first 30 minutes to keep the liquid clear. After skimming, reduce heat and simmer gently for 3 to 6 hours. Longer yields more gelatin and flavor. Add 10 peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon salt after skimming, and 2 sprigs thyme near the end for fresh herb aroma. When your broth reaches desired flavor and body, remove large solids and strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean container, pressing solids lightly to extract liquid. Cool quickly. Set the container in an ice bath and stir until lukewarm, then refrigerate to let fat solidify on top for easy removal. Taste and adjust salt. Dissolve up to 1 teaspoon more if needed. Store broth chilled up to 4 days or freeze in 2-cup portions, using airtight containers for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.